Hi guys, I'm Nick from Reloop and this is our new Stand Hub. I'll give you a quick walkthrough of the key features of the Reloop Stand Hub. The Reloop Stand Hub is a really unique product as it is industry's first combination out of an advanced laptop stand with built-in USB-C PD hub. It's super flexible stand and suitable for many devices as laptops, MacBooks or tablets, and you are able to use this stand in 6 different setup variations. On the side of the stand, we have built in an advanced USB hub with 4 USB-A 3.0 ports with super speed support. Here on the bottom, you can connect your USB-C power adapter from your laptop, MacBook or iPad and connect your device on the top with USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to USB-A cable. MacBooks and laptops with USB-C power connection can be powered directly from the Stand Hub via the USB-C power delivery port. This saves the use of USB ports which often are missing with newer MacBooks or laptops. The Stand Hub comes with 3 cables, one USB-C to USB-C for a setup like this, and 2 USB-C to USB-A cables for all the MacBooks without USB-C ports. It comes with a transportation bag for Stand Hub and accessory cables. And of course, I can't wait to take this super practical stand on tour and hope you feel the same way. Thanks for watching and stay safe.